Hi, my name is Chris Henry. I'm the founder of Fresh, a personal chef service. What we're making today is seared ahi tuna steak with wasabi butter sauce. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start out with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. We're going to add that. That's going to be the base for the sauce. 2 tablespoons of soy and 1 tablespoon of wasabi paste. And it comes in this little tube. It's wasabi paste. You know, I like wasabi with seared tuna very much, but it tends to sometimes overpower the tuna. So when incorporated with the butter and the soy, it really makes a milder sauce. And we're going to add to this a fresh lemon juice, squeezed from 1 lemon. There we go. Okay. And then to this, you're going to add a half cup of butter. And this is all going to go in a saucepan, and you're going to stir this constantly until it forms this rich, very delicious smelling and tasting sauce. And so I've done here is I've already made the sauce. And once the sauce is done, you're going to pour it over the seared ahi, just like that. Look at that color on that. Is that just beautiful? There we go. And you're going to garnish it with some green onions. There we are. And just take a lemon and just brighten it up just a little bit. There we have it. Seared ahi tuna steak with wasabi butter sauce.